Hello. We are setting up our first fish tank in UK. Let's see what we need for our aquarium setup. We are using a 20-litre glass tank for aquarium. An Aquarium LED light. Aquarium Gravel, 2 kilograms. Water filter 100 litre per hour flow. Aquarium background. Water conditioner for aquarium. Some aquarium decorations, as per your choice. Few colourful stones. Now let's set up the tank. Please watch till the end, as we'll be sharing some recommendations, so you can set up any tank. First, clean your tank properly with tap water. Then place it in an area with less noise, steady and not much sudden temperature change. Adding aquarium background. This helps fish, as if the backside is blocked, they will feel secured. Now, place it properly. Once the tank is ready, the tank will be heavy and difficult to move. Rinse gravel thoroughly with tap water to free of dust. Using a strainer will make the process much easier. You can use hot water also, but make sure the water is free of any chemicals or soaps. Recommendation to use 1 kilogram of gravel per 10 litre of water, so we are using 2 kilograms gravel for this 20-litre tank. Place gravel in the tank by adding the gravel slowly and carefully, to ensure it doesn't hit the bottom of the tank too hard and cause damage. Placing all aquarium decorations. All decorations or ornaments need to be thoroughly rinsed with tap water. This will ensure they are free of dust. Now it's time to fill tank with tap water. Place a small plate or pot in the bottom of your tank and slowly pour the water into the tank over the plate or pot, to minimize cloudiness. You may want to use a hose if possible. Begin filling the tank slowly to avoid any cloudiness from your gravel. Most of the tank has markers for water level. In general, leave 1-inch gap between water level and top. Now it's time to turn on the filter for your tank. Here we are using 100 litre per hour flow filter. It's generally recommended that the filter should flow at least 4 times the volume of the tank. Before setting this filter within the tank, we need to wash it properly with tap water. Now set up the filter with the right position, as per instruction. This is a cold freshwater tank, hence not setting up the heater. For a tropical aquarium, we need to turn on the heater as well. Setting up LED light, but this can stay off for now if you would prefer. Adding water conditioner as per instructions on bottle. Add beneficial bacteria separately, if your conditioner is not included with bacteria. Allow your tank to cycle and create a healthy biological filter before adding in any fish. This process would take a week or more. By letting a healthy environment develop, you will decrease the chance of your tank suffering from new tank syndrome, which is a toxic buildup of ammonia and nitrites. Hope this video is helpful for your first tank setup, and please give a like if you like this video and don't forget to subscribe for more videos. I will share more videos related to aquariums, and will cover topics like how to add fish tank syndromes, etc. Thank you for watching.